A girlfriend I work with, she does CrossFit and she says, "Oh my God, there's a girl I CrossFit with that had a lower body lift." I'm like, really? Because not a lot of people have them. Like a lot of people haven't lost that much weight to have that type of surgery. So she was telling me, she was like, she looks great. Her scar looks good. She was back in the gym. And I was like, oh, well, I need to be back in the gym ASAP because that's my therapy. So she showed me the girl's results and she was like, here, let me message her. She gave me the plastic surgery's information and a couple of the doctor's names. And I'm so glad that I went with my doctor because he just suits me. I was a big case and I have a big personality and I needed a doctor to just deal with all of that. I had weight loss surgery 13 years ago, January 2008. I lost 125 pounds. I got pregnant with my first son and I regained 90 pounds. I lost the 90 pounds and then got pregnant with my daughter and regained 60 pounds. 2 years ago, I started like a little fitness journey and I took off the weight again for a third time and I got in the best shape I have ever been in. I started running and I was left with a lot of not so fun baggage. I luckily came across my pal, Dr. Abadali. I scheduled with him in the summer for a November appointment, and that was the beginning. I recently had a lower body lift with a breast aug and a breast lift, and I am 7 weeks post-op. I did have a couple consultations with other plastic surgeons, but I never felt like they were a person. Like it was very business-like when it came to my consultation. And I had a lot of questions about breast implants. I'll never forget, he had left the room and Ashley, the nurse, came in with a whole bunch of stuff. And he came back into the room, which was what I did not experience from other consultations. He sat down and he went over everything. So I did have the breast aug and lower body lift done all in one surgery. It was a long procedure, but I would never go back. It was the best decision I made to have it all done in one thing. So when I woke up, I had the crescent incision and I had the moderate plus. I was thrilled, over the moon, that they turned out exactly how I wanted. I'm obsessed, for a lack of better words. The lower body lift was done incredible. Like I so thrilled with the amount of skin that was removed, how flat everything is, and the curves, everything's coming in nicely, and thrilled with the decisions that him and I had made, especially with the implants. Back in the gym already, which I'm just like super excited about. I've already bought a few bikinis to test out for next summer, which I'm totally excited about. Of course, I'm taking lots of selfies now that I have this brand new body. It's all so new and I still have to just, I pinch myself. Like, is this real? Is this do I really got all this? It's like a dream come true. Anyone that's lost a lot of weight, it's, to come away from that with a lot of skin, you have to, it kind of your confidence gets boosted for losing the weight, but then you're left with the aftermath of losing such a lot of weight. I would say do your research, find out what's best for you. If it's a tummy tuck, extended tummy tuck, lower body lift, whatever, do what's best for you. And find the right guy to do it. Find somebody that's going to listen to you and hear you out and do it. Don't hesitate. Go in there and just do it. You have one life to live and you want to live it looking the best, feeling the best, and being confident.